Hey folks, Rod Knocker coming at you here. It's October, Friday the 13th, 2020. It's about 54 degrees right now. It's warming up nicely. I think they call this the red trail, the Narrows trail. We're going to go counterclockwise, and like I said, it's just a steady pull up here. Oh, got a little tree down right there. We'll get a breather before making it to the top. But I've come a long ways in getting fit and different muscles in shape. See the road's right there. You can see in here the cars. You kind of run parallel with the road up here. You get to the top, it makes a hard right hand turn. But you know, and you can be in good shape and still, when it comes to riding bikes, you're still going to use more or different muscles than a normal weight routine or something of that nature would give you. But we're moving right along. We ain't at the top yet. We're getting there. A little downhill. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but to the left of the trail down there by the road, there's a yellow street sign of a hard right turn. That's where I know I'm getting ready to make my turn up here. So I kind of pace myself right through here to recover, because it's a hard dig to make this turn up here. And it's real rocky right in here. You gotta have your momentum up a little bit. And when you make this turn, you gotta stay seated. Because if you come out of your seat, it's easy to spin out. Alright, nearing the top here. Whew. Yeah, there it is. There it is. back into another little pool. Nothing serious. Alright, this is real rocky, real steep. Leaves covering the path. Just have to take it easy, it's real rocky, real steep. I'll switch back right here. Take it easy. Almost back to the start. We'll come up on another switchback right here. Switch back. Alright. We're back to where we started. You remember us crossing that log right there. Anyway, there's Turkey Creek Preserve. Alright, my battery's a little bit low. I don't know how much I'm gonna get, but I have finished my 3 rounds. Now I'm gonna hit the road out here and do my finish up, what I do to complete my little workout over here at Turkey Creek. Place over here. Come over here and ride your bikes. You can come over here and bring a regular bike and just ride the road if you wanted to. These speed breakers, you gotta get them right in the middle.